Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're staring at the error code T5 on your Maytag dryer in 2025 and wondering what to do next, don't panic. We've got a straightforward fix for you. This error typically signals an issue with the temperature sensor or thermistor, which can cause your dryer to stop mid-cycle. In just a few minutes, I'll guide you through the steps to get it running smoothly again, saving you time and money. First off, safety is our top priority. Always unplug your dryer from the wall outlet before starting any repairs to avoid electrical hazards. Give it some time to cool down completely, we don't want any burns. To tackle this, you'll need a few basic tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a multimeter for testing electrical components, and possibly a replacement thermistor if the original one is faulty. These are easy to find online or at your local hardware store. Let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Unplug the dryer and locate the back panel. Use your screwdriver to remove the screws holding it in place, then gently set the panel aside. Step 2. Inside, find the thermistor. It's usually near the heating element. Carefully inspect for any loose wires or connections. If you spot any, secure them tightly. Step 3. Grab your multimeter and test the thermistor. Set it to the ohms setting and touch the probes to the thermistor's terminals. At room temperature, it should read around 10,000 ohms. If the reading is way off or there's no continuity, the thermistor is likely the problem. Step 4. If it's defective, order a compatible replacement for your Maytag model. Install it by reconnecting the wires and securing it in place, then reattach the back panel. Finally, plug your dryer back in, run a test cycle, and cross your fingers. If the error persists, it might be a deeper issue, so consider calling a professional technician. There you have it. You're now equipped to fix that pesky error code T5. If this video helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more handy home repair tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.